have an amazing tour guide.
Okay, you have an amazing tour guide.
Amazing.
What you think, Isis?
Awesome. No, she's awesome.
Pros and cons?
First, pros and cons. There's like so many pros. It comes with, if it doesn't have a washer and dryer, they'll provide a washer and dryer for $30 a month. Already have a relationship with appliance man.
Okay.
2 pools, a fitness center. They are Airbnb approved. Super rare. Normally, you kind of have to like persuade and like prod property owners to be Airbnb approved. But they're like, hey, we only want it on Airbnb. If you have contracts with other people, that's fine. But we're totally cool with what you're doing. So this is a amazing property. I'll be dropping in the link of where this property is, but definitely say where you got it from.
All right, about to walk back.
Okay, and this is the 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 930 square feet.
Oh, dang, this is
And this is really roommate style.
a lot bigger.
You can have literally 2 people here and they can both be about their business and just have like the living area.
Is it working fireplace?
Working fireplace. And again, if the granite stuff is different, it'll just be the countertops.
Oh, so this is the older unit.
Yes, this is a classic.
Oh, this is a 2-2. How much does 2-2s go? 13?
Once we get to the office.
Yeah, that,
Yeah,
you get your exercise in today, huh?
yeah, we do. Girl, ain't no kudos to you. That would be the master bedroom.
Oh, okay.
And you could tell because of the size of the closet and stuff like that.
And you have your own bathroom for each person. So good.
We put everything, I was asking them on their end. Was it
Yeah.
So we have to digitally do all that stuff. So, but it's really, really compatible with iPhone, Androids. Like my business partner's in Cali, so she's able to see everything. She can see people coming in and out the door just by the keypad.
Nice.
Yeah, and then I do have a camera. Yeah, that way I want like just take a picture.
So do y'all like usually keep like a little book, or like a notebook and stuff, like
Listen,
where to put the trash?
This is our first booking. Like when we came in with them, we jumped in. Like they didn't. The first day I was already doing tours. Like probably second day with the baby.
Yeah. Well, we got
our
kids in the car.
Yeah.
They got their kids in
Yes,
the
I
car.
am.
The
Yeah,
first day we were supposed to be here in the morning. We got here at night.
Listen, they'll work with you.
Who are you guys?
We're the Nixons.
I'm Fonte and this is Dante.
So, tell me about your experience today.
It was really good. We learned a lot that we already knew a lot, but y'all just gave us even more. Like
Definitely put the icing on the cake.
for real, like
Yeah.
numbers.
Yeah, what are 3 things you learned today?
Analyzing.
Analyzing also.
Property search. We learned about the different kind of properties, what you need to get in one. It just was a lot of information.
Yeah.
And what do you hope to accomplish in this journey?
Being super host.
Yeah.
Super
A lot of
host.
properties.
A lot of properties.
And yeah, success.
All right, guys.
And where are you at now in your short-term rental journey?
We're just beginning.
Beginners.
We don't have property yet.
No properties, okay.
Nope.
So they're about to do a BSA transformation. So stay tuned. And
Kehlin Heights is called Greystar. Greystar is a owned company. It's like a huge conglomerate of businesses that come together and make investments. So like, let's say this was $300 million to build. They all bring their money together, and then there's a property management group that runs all the different day-to-day operations as far as looking into interacting with customers. So that one's a little hard to approach because you have to go through them, and then there's so many different owners. Usually you never even talk to the owner. You have to talk to the property management group, and they're all about risk assessment. So if it seems risky, it's usually a no because they're doing pretty good, the way they're managing. So usually you have to come in with a lot of experience and a lot of revenue to even convince them to say this is something that you should be interested in. So that's the difference between rate and owner managed. So we can get into what determines a Class B or Class C. So this is a Class A type property. Has all the amenities plus like a little, gaming center with the pools, gyms, rooftop scenes, things of that nature. Usually everything's extremely new. Even if it's more than 20 years old, they do a fabulous job of keeping everything up. And then, rooftop views, great amenities, and things of that nature. Okay, so then the rents also start about $1,300 or more. And that is usually.
Visiting place number 2. This is a Class A property, and we're walking through it. The pros and cons of going with Class A, which is really cool. They got this nice little TV set up. I guess you can watch multiple games. And we know there's people like houses more. So when you look at it, you may be like, man, it look kind of basic from the front.
I know, I can fix that.
So like, it looks like it has original floors, so you can play on that. I think they just updated the, like we got a property like this. They just updated the kitchen, so they got a little black tile back there. And I'm looking for the second bedroom.
Second closet.
Yeah, you can do a wash and dryer. So that's important.
Right.
For long-term stays, wash and dryer. Really, they have to rent a wash and dryer. Somebody stayed there for like 3 months. I don't know.
And Crawford, you really can like mention that.
Yeah,
Make
Crawford,
that people like that.
And then I think this is just a wash and dryer connection, their pantry, another room. And they got a backyard patio. So you got the balcony. Ooh. You see that right there? That's NRG. That's where the Texans play. Yeah. That's where Texans play. Oh, right there is Reliance Stadium, actually. I mean, they have concerts in there. The Texans play in that one.
Okay. Yeah, that one looks way bigger.
Yeah, they used to play over there, but then they built this big one.
That's crazy.